flower child, beautiful child, you in your zone, looking like you came from the 70s on your own. No, but hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my flower wall. I want to add some more stuff to this, but this is just the first step of it. Um, First of all, it was super easy and it was cheap. I used yarn, flowers, and hot glue. Easy, super easy. So stay tuned to see how I made it. All right now, so my room is really small, and this wall is actually right by the door. So I wanted to spice my room up. I'm really trying to redecorate it. So this is just a little snippet of what I'm gonna do. I used yarn. This yarn was from Walmart. It's like $1.97. And to put the yarn up, I used thumbtacks. So I put my thumbtack at a nice height and then I tied some yarn around it. That's going to be the base basically. Okay, so now I'm hanging about 15 to 20 individual strings, and this is where the flowers will hang. Oh, and I will recommend that you cut the string after you're done so that they can all be even and have a nice uniform look to it. So I decided to add some lights because I really don't like the light that I have in my room, and I also like it to be dimly lit in my room. I don't like too much light. So yeah. Period. I use trial and error for a bunch of things. I tried to use tacks. I tried to use tacky glue, but nothing would work but hot glue. So what I did was hot glued a little bit onto the flower, the little plastic back of the flower, and then I put the yarn piece on it, and then I glued a bunch of hot glue on there, and it molded on there really nice, so the flowers really wouldn't go anywhere. All right, that's it, flower child. That's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. It was really, really easy, and I'm actually enjoying this wall already. Like, all my pictures gonna be right here, so stay tuned. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make your flower background, girl. Bye.